Today on Mike Attempts, installing new brake pads and rotors on a Ram 1500. A friend of mine asked if I could help him install new front brake pads and rotors on his 2007 Dodge Ram. Jack up the truck, place the jack stands under the frame, and remove the tires. Remove the two smaller caliper bolts, then slowly pry back the pistons to remove the caliper. Place the caliper on a box or crate to avoid straining or kinking the brake line. Remove the old brake pads, paying close attention to how the clips are installed on the ends of the pads. Remove the two larger carrier bolts in order to remove the rotor. You might need the help of a cheater bar. Pull off the old rotor and slide on the new one. If it's stuck, you might need to use penetrating oil and a rubber mallet for encouragement. Thread on one lug nut at the bottom to hold the new rotor mostly upright. Clean the carrier and caliper with a wire brush, especially the channels in the carrier where the ends of the pads sit. Reinstall the carrier. Snap on the new clips and install the new pads. Loosen the cap on the brake fluid reservoir and use one of the old pads and a C-clamp to push the pistons back so the caliper will fit over the new pads. Keep an eye on the brake fluid level so it doesn't overflow. Now reinstall the caliper. Use brake cleaner to clean both sides of the rotor. Make sure the bolts are properly tightened. Reinstall the tire, repeat the same process on the other side, and you're done. Don't forget to pump your brakes to build up pressure before driving. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.